Only one again taking a one, yeah. Here Kitab again, he have a very big, powerful video coming from Zion Ministry. Kidoku Maji Ebano was in Kitata. Table moon a video soon on Ebuka Obi Loluzo. And he categorically confirmed it in this video again. Because him and Naguno news on feel na there are some people who are doing great things for anybody. Something that your local government cannot do, something your governor cannot do. Somebody is doing it, and you wicked set of individuals. God said, "Let there be light." Evangelist Ebuka Obi Welaka we send the ndo obodo nino ne be transformer. Let there begin light in obodo ha. Obodo ne exist, no light, nothing. Always could be, but you know say na to say and then this video.
For as a whole, let there be light, no more darkness. This transformer is for you and your family. I got to know that there is no more transformer in Obolo, no lights in Obolo. So I bought these 4 transformers, 500 kVA at 3 line. It will be in all the autonomous communities. Oburu Hejo 4 ancient kingdom, Ubaha Eziama autonomous community, Amori autonomous community, Umuna Amadei autonomous community. We bring Hejo 4 ancient kingdom, 4 500 kVA, 1 for each autonomous community. I love you all. Let there be light. We are still doing roads from novice primary school to second, and my 4-decade hospital, free hospital, will be complete by Easter next year. By God bless. God bless all of you. You will celebrate Christmas with light. I love you all. God bless all of you. Let the light shine.
Thank you. I'm going to go that video. Uno na for Evangelist Ebuka Obi na etunia oluwatu ego 1. Akuluono one of Igboland. Akuluono one of Igboland. Imana, only one incident in the Bible that many people are not even talking about all the time. Many people are not paying attention to that story. Jesus gave us a parable of wanye waliko with the nwoke. Manam we did that in Mechazi. Bible made us to understand that Jesus bent down and started writing until everybody needed to know the way making a purchase. By the time he brought good. By the time we need to see the first thing was Madam, we are your accusers. Kita kaina Jozo, we are the accusers of Reverend. We are the accusers of Evangelist Ebuka Obi of Zion Ministry. Where are the accusers of that great ministry? Chukunaji Emegine Emebube. Where are the accusers of that ministry in the Madana Sina Nema Regina Nemenka? Where are the accusers of Ndana Sina Yaloha Factory Alola and Kozo? Emily him kumbe me video makuza hana lagwa mono suno. Na manlo factory which uza not to be motorable. They must first of all lower that uza. Alosha uza ewe kubuku any other thing today because now the condition of that road now big machineries, big tractor na alo factory, alo company, wauza. Unama mfuze bunusi yokada wegafe. Mwejozo, where are the local government officials of that place? Does it mean that Nando Buddha does not want it? Uno asisi wetelo no factory, wetelo no nka, wetelo no come go no the truth factory, but they will not do that road and they will not give you light. Take for example, ihe na-eme na Shell na Bayelsa State. Bayelsa. Ihe ndị Shell na media. Sabalo na-eme comedy welu camera ga Shell area ebe shell dị na that place. Could you believe that those people enwebere ọkụ for the past 13 good years? For 13 solid years enwere ọkụ. Mana guess what? Ọkụ dị na shell company ha ji amị mmanụ. Is it difficult for that shell company nye ndị obodo ahụ ọkụ? Sometimes you guys don't even know what you wish for. So take your time sometimes, make a travel. Go to Ota, go no Fukode, go to Lagos Expressway, go no for Hindi Redeem Media. Jeben the winners know the same thing. Jena area mountain on fire, they one area mountain on fire, the Nime VI. Go there, give that area de. Nime VI, hello that place. Give a code. Good delivery system, good security, light, and every other teenage life which you're making are they comfortable or that environment. Marande by me on anako wa. Come on for once here, but I fucking was one nigga working. My brother he try ranka. Oboron and Nina na bamba they have Obono provide the good at only provide the good those transform and work my bute. No provide the layer. That was when well on na mwaba. I said it again that now in that video message Obolona unu bundi omena na boko asi na onwu nande ajo mmadu na heji anya afi ho unu na apụtasị oke nwanna anyị nwoke iPhone elugo nke alụa nke ọzọ ka anyị nye aka pụta n'igwe wele mee gịnị tipolu waya na nka ji wee sọpọtụ a unu na-ekwu kwasị oke na-agbakọta ka aka ọnụ nyoma mere ka ọ gba ọfụfụ mana nke a unu adị mma polisi unu adị mma kọtụma so si iji phone na email nka na achọrọ nka ọzọ China ji wee do otu a China ji otu unu no mgbe nwanna nwoke bụ park je China but I say na that na no one local government no phone ji aka wee lọwa ebe train na agba obodo na benefit. Then what will now cause you people to come and gini mekwa video say na no phone ji aka ya lụọ ụzọ kwele obodo ọkụ kwele obodo transformer ihe ọgba ọsọ wee mee ojeje gbara ọsọ wee meela Matthias advert in the real estate here. That is the only thing they can offer to the people, knowing fully well that now somebody has been doing this for years, somebody has been doing this for donkey years, and somebody has been laying a good example. Matthias mbolone ka olu golo ndị mmadụ transformer mbolone ka Matthias ti golo ọkụ n'obodo. What has he done to empower you? We do that you use Kala because he is the pioneer and the person who use as an example. Uzo flaws also common flaw ebe na eme church otebeho flaw na neba olubero owetebela hapo waya owetebela ọkụ olube obi ha ba transformer unu ogwu anu na asi no that place is a rented under upstairs a room and parlor rented apartment keju emele ba na treat mmadu ya ebe ahụ upgraded chemist enwere some pharmacy ka that place we bụ ibu. Go and do your findings. Unu na asi na olulu na ọgwụ who and who were the people gulu na the foundation kedu ndị gulu na ebe ahụ kedu ndị go cement n'aka kedu ndị go road kedu ndị go cement na kedu ndị go zinc n'aka who are the laborers that worked in that environment unu si na olulu na ọgwụ. These are the facts that you people will have to come out and show to the world. This is an olulu na ọgwụ no melo nke ọzọ biko wepụta na anya unu ji afọ ihe welukwana unu ji ekwu eziokwu for once kwukere nke be that eziokwu for once that na Evangelist Ebuka Obi bụ ọlụwa tu egwu one of Igboland and Akuluno one of Igboland. Ka ọ dịkwana mgbe ọzọ.